I'll change your pace for you as we do every month. About this time, we track what people are buying online. Joining us with all the details with the latest Getprice index, the website's chief executive, Chris Hitchen. Chris, top of the morning to you.
Awesome.
Counterintuitive, this one, because it seems as everyone out there, all the lead indicators say we're belt tightening. People aren't going for bargains as you thought they would be online.
Well, it's actually not quite the case. We're seeing retail spending decline, that's for sure. Nobody's doubting that anymore. But what we're seeing in online is a massive increase. So we tracked, obviously Getprice doesn't sell anything, but we are tracking across various retailers how much they're selling. So we're tracking users who come and use the free service at Getprice to compare prices. They then go away to a merchant to buy, and we're tracking whether they buy and how much they're spending. Now, the biggest data for us this month was that in a year, December 2007, people were spending on average $138 for each purchase online. That's now gone up to $215. So over a 60% increase in what they're spending online, and we think that that's really indicative of the times. They're spending more online.
But that was, Chris, December. That was stimulus territory. That was tax. That was kind of that $1,000 check for select people. Can you read too much into it?
Well, look, what we've seen in January so far, and it is early days, but we haven't got a complete set of data, but in January, we've seen a really strong continuation of traffic, and we were expecting a big drop. So we've been pleasantly surprised so far in terms of traffic of what's happening in January.
You talk about females being savvier than males. How do you know this? And what? Because you say a lot of it's about just a search. Also, you track what? Then the follow-through with sales. I guess when they put their name alongside their credit card, that's the giveaway.
No, it's actually, we use data from a company called Hitchen, which is an accepted methodology online. And that data suggests that actually there's been a further swing to females at Christmas time. So now 58% of it, the Getprice audience at Christmas time are females. So it would suggest they're the savvier shoppers, I guess, you know, doing the last-minute shopping for Christmas.
How do you know, though, that they are the ones online? That was my question, though.
Yeah, look, the methodology is complicated, but basically the Hitwise is able to tell you whether a particular computer or IP address belongs to a female or male person.
But is it fair to say that you could be using someone else's computer?
Of course, yeah, it's not foolproof, absolutely. Right. Yeah, it's trend information. It gives you a good idea of what's going on, and what we do is track it on a month-to-month basis, so we get an idea of trends.
Seems there's a lot of escapism going on as well. Those game consoles right up near the top, the plasmas are up there as well.
Yep. As usual, in-home entertainment. And game consoles these days, you know, they're much more than just about gaming. They're networked and they're about downloading, consuming media.
But it's summer out there, Chris. Look, people should be outdoors. I struggled to find the Weber barbecue on there.
But did you find the GHD hair straightener?
No, I didn't find the GHD hair straightener. I know you said you've got to buy that for your other half, but I'm just saying that we are outdoors. We want to be cooking on the barbie, but why is that hard to find the Weber?
Look, the Weber is actually a huge item.
Weber,
popular item, yeah. Or Weber, whatever, tomato.
Yeah.
I mean, it's popular up there with other items that sort of indicate summer's here: refrigerators, skincare, sunglasses, vitamins and nutrition. You know, it's all on there, and it's quite amazing. We've had over 770,000 different keywords searched in December, so the range of products is huge.
And interestingly, if you talk about the states, New South Wales, which all the lead economic indicators says is in weak territory, up there when it comes to this site.
The traffic from the United States?
Yeah, from the New South Wales.
From New South Wales,
yeah.
Yeah, look, absolutely. And they've just overtaken per capita the Queenslanders. It's the first time we've seen that over Christmas time in New South Wales. So, I mean, there's no real reason to suggest that they wouldn't be top of the list. But that's what we're seeing now. They've overtaken Queenslanders.
How are you going in terms of your own profitability?
Very well. We're doing very well. We don't actually release profitability details, but look, we're doing well. And we're actually really happy. It's, I suppose, some benefit coming to us out of this, the tough times for people. But at the end of the day, we're providing people with a service for them to come online and save money. So, you know, we're having a good time of it right now.
Chris Hitchen, let the good times roll. Many thanks.
Thank you.